One thing's for sure, before you can make money, you have to work. But this work does not have to be tedious or stressful. You can make money sitting on your computer at home while sipping your coffee and taking occasional breaks. Hello and welcome to Whiz. My name is Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $400 weekly just by typing words. Yep, you heard that right, just by typing. If you enjoy typing and writing, and more importantly, making money fast, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Do you have a computer that you only use for Netflix and video games? Stay till the end of this video as I show you how you can start making money with your computer from the comfort of your home. Firstly, let me talk about the various types of typing jobs that you can do. Transcription, data entry, and general office work are the three primary types of typing jobs you can do from home. Transcription is more difficult because it involves accuracy and attention to detail rather than just speed, but it pays higher on average. As long as there is an internet connection, data entry can be done from anywhere. Data entry involves typing a large amount of data or information, such as invoices or receipts, into a database or spreadsheet. Depending on the sort of data entry job, this can be done with software or on paper and then transferred to a computer. Data entry can be paid on a per assignment or hourly basis, and it is one of the most convenient ways to earn money by typing. In the transcribing industry, a person must first listen to an audio file, document them using transcription software, and then write them down. Depending on the firm you work for, you may be paid hourly or per task for transcription. Proofreading is part of a general office work, which might range from proofreading other people's writing at home to proofreading companies' paperwork. Instead of recruiting writers as employees, some companies prefer to hire people on a contract basis. Now that you know all the type of work that can be done at home, let's talk about where you can sell your service and how. There are numerous places where you can register and begin working. You can also sell pre-written articles, content, or presentations. I've compiled a list of some of the most dependable marketplaces and websites to promote your service. Number 1, Rev. Rev is a transcription company that offers transcription, captioning, and foreign subtitle services. Users can earn money by composing captions for YouTube videos, transcribing audio recordings, and other tasks. Working with Rev is the best option if you're fluent in English and a fast typist. The best thing about working for Rev is that there are always job openings there. Every day, 100 more projects are added to the site. Even if transcribing isn't your thing, you can always caption short videos instead. The good thing is that you're not bound by any timetable, and you can work as little or as much as you desire. Rev pays its users through PayPal. Freelancers get paid about 36 cents to 75 cents per minute of audio or video. Rev pays on a weekly basis. Number 2, Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most well-known marketplaces for freelancing services in the world. Anything, and I mean practically anything, may be sold here. If you're an excellent writer or typist, you can make a lot of money on this site. All you have to do now is to create an account, and after that you can advertise your service as well as the amount you wish to charge. You can also advertise your gig for quick results. It's critical to be clear about what you're offering while selling on Fiverr. You don't want to make a promise you can't keep, or that will take too long to fulfill. Make sure to provide examples of your work and a detailed description of your service. You should also make it obvious to the customer what they can expect from you and when they can expect it. It's also crucial to maintain a professional and respectful approach. Respond to messages as soon as possible and be willing to work with customers to ensure that they are satisfied with the final product. Number 3, Upwork. Upwork.com is an excellent place to work as a typist from home. You don't need to create any gigs or wait for a long time as you would on Fiverr. Instead, you simply need to look for projects and then send a proposal. There are a few things you can do to improve your chances of acquiring tasks on Upwork. One thing you should do is make sure your profile is full and up to date. Make sure to include all of your qualifications and experience, as well as any medals or honors you may have obtained. Another important step is to bid on projects that you can do competently. Don't bid on projects that are out of your reach, as you will likely not be selected for them, and it will lower your chances of being chosen for future projects. Finally, present a proposal that is customized to the client's requirements. Before submitting a bid, make sure you read through the job description thoroughly. You can make as much as $15 for typing 1,500 words. Number 4, Freelancer. Another fantastic platform for making money by typing is Freelancer. To begin, you must first create an account. After login, you may bid on any project and get the job. However, in order to get any job here, you must have a decent rating. So how can you improve your freelancer rating? And what should you do before bidding on a project? When bidding on tasks on Freelancer, it's critical to present a proposal that's clear, correct, and simple. Here are some proposal submission tips that will help you stand out from the crowd. Make sure your proposal includes a cover letter. This is your chance to say hello and explain why you're the best candidate for the job. Double check that your proposal is well written and free of errors. Typos and errors make you appear unprofessional and will almost certainly cost you the project. Make sure to include any pertinent information about your experience and credentials. Make sure to mention your track record of completed projects, as the client needs to know that you're competent for the position. Before submitting a proposal, contact the customer if you have any questions. Before putting together your submission, make sure you ask them any questions you might have regarding the project. Before I talk about the last website, be sure to subscribe to this channel to get more Make Money online content. Number 5. Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me is an online transcription service provider that converts audio and video files into text. Users make money by transcribing audio files into a text document. So if you're searching for a part-time job, Transcribe Me is a great way to supplement your income. To begin, you must first create a profile. Before you begin, you must pass a test to ensure that you understand the job. After that, you can apply for transcription jobs in a variety of sectors. Remember that you must be fluent in English in order to apply. Transcribe Me pays through PayPal. On average, the pay rate is $20 per hour. These websites help people to get the most out of their typing skills. It's worth noting that some of these websites also offer an online typing test in order to choose the best and fastest typists. You must be proficient and fast to qualify for these online typing jobs. The competition is fiercer than it's ever been, so it's advisable to work on your listening skills before you start applying for these jobs. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and also check out my video on how to make money from minting NFTs.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake